Hey guys, welcome back to Marc Rochefort Outdoors. It's January 22nd, 6:38 at night, and as announced, I was going camping. This is my second ever overnight on the ice. The first one was last winter when I went on Nipissing, downtown, the downtown waterfront. I went out there, and it was a learning experience. So this year, I went on Nosbonsing in the Narrows going into Calendar Bay, and I thought I'd give you a tour now that I'm dialed in. Took me a long time. So I got Frable tip up with a gigantic pike minnow. I'm going for a big pike. I got a cooler full of food. I'll show you that in a minute. Everybody's bugging me for floor. Like, seriously, I'm not going to drag foam floors out here. Like, to try to get it all even. It's so much easier. Just bring a pallet out. You could bring two. Two would be perfect if I had two people. But one person, one pallet's perfect. I'm about 250 yards from my truck, so that was the hardest part about today, was dragging all this shit out here. But I have a skidoo, so next time I'll use a skidoo, or the ice is thick enough, I'll just drive out on the ice. So I got a set line over there, and a tip up over there. Big minnow on there. Not as big as the pike minnow, but it's a big chub on a chartreuse jig. I got my Mr. Heater Big Buddy cranked. I got a 20-pound propane tank just outside the hut. And I had to run to town today and get propane, food, and ice anchors, because they were calling for 24, 25 kilometer winds. And it was actually a lot more than that. It's more like 35, 40 mile an hour wind gusts. So, I had to pick up ice anchors. I picked up 2 ice anchors. That's what I could afford. And so on the other ones, I tied to... So there's an ice anchor here and an ice anchor here. And on this side, the heavy 20-pound propane tank, I just tied those 2 lines to there. So the wind's coming from the west, this west-southwest. And so I don't have that side tied down, but I do have it snowbanked really good. And I'm hoping it'll freeze a bit. Not too much, but like enough to just reassure me that we're not going to blow away in the middle of the night. So I got my gloves drying out and my snow pants drying out. It's kind of nice to take my boots off, and the pallet allows you to do that. Just get your feet up off the ground. And I just put the bag from my Pack Shack 3 worked perfect to haul out my bedding, because I don't got a sleeping bag. So I just used my bedding. Worked perfect. So I'm using that just to keep my feet off the pallet, kind of thing. The tip on that's bouncing. Just a minnow, I think. This is so exciting to be fishing overnight. Like, you always wonder what's coming out to eat that only comes out at night. Like laying really big walleye. I bet even some big pike only come out at night to eat. What else to show you? I got another cooler over here. I got my carbon monoxide detector. Got my backpack. I got the minnows down there. I got more dead minnows from yesterday, so we're going to use those up. I chummed the hole a little bit, but we're gonna be fishing for a while, so we'll use them all up. We're gonna make this the buffet for the fish. Let's see what's in my coolers. I got sausages and buns. Ooh, I got my Nintendo for midnight before bed. Some aluminum pans might kind of help me with the cooking. I got a frying pan in there and 2 pots to boil water. Paper plates, toilet paper, which reminds me I should set up a toilet for the middle of the night, just in case. I don't have to go, but just in case. I guess I gotta use up those minnows to get a bucket. I brought a torch. It's sitting over there in the corner just in case it goes out. It's kind of easier to start it with a torch. So far so good. The heater's running perfect, no problems at all. I'll do the outside tour in the morning. Oh, this is interesting. What kind of moon do we got out there? No moon. That's the... It was my flashlight. I thought there was a moon out there. I guess we wouldn't see the moon. We got a storm blowing outside, with lots of snow coming in. Alright, tackle boxes, extra rods, got an extra tip up somewhere. I'm set just off the skidoo trail, just far enough, give them some space, but like I want to be right in that channel, so it's kind of hard. Like the skidoo trail is almost right on my spot where I want to be, but like I've given them some space. I just hope I don't get run over by an idiot going way too fast and drunk. I think I should be okay. Got my stuff drying here. Alright, I think I'm going to end this video, keep it short. Take some pictures now. I'll start up another video with the first fish. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Marc Rochefort Outdoors.